So in the last video, we talked about what happens to your body when you're intermittent fasting. If you've stopped eating up to roughly 24 hours, technically you would need to eat before the 24-hour mark, but go back and watch that video if you are interested in intermittent fasting. If you continue to not eat past the 24-hour mark, your body starts to run out of stored glycogen. And this is where some of the magic starts to happen. So as my body runs out of stored glycogen, it starts to break down fats for fuel more and more. So we start to produce lots of ketones to fuel all the processes in your body. Ketones have some very good products. They are anti-inflammatory. They are very, very helpful for our brain and our nervous system. So many people with nerve pain, if you have lots of ketones in your body, the nerve pains come down. We think much clearer on ketones. If we continue deeper into that process, beyond about the 72-hour mark, this is why I say prolonged fasting starts there. We have kind of maximized our ketone production around that 72-hour mark, and my body's gonna say, I need more fuel. It does that in a process called autophagy. Autophagy is where your body goes and looks for stored fuel in the form of cells, and those cells basically are the dysfunctional or damaged cells. My body's really smart about how it does this. It's not going to go after healthy cells to fuel you. It goes and finds those weakened, damaged ones first. So these are our inflammatory cells, damaged DNA cells, precancerous cells. If I can get my body to break those down for fuel, that's where we see very big reductions in inflammation, reduced risk of cancer, Alzheimer's, diabetes. The other thing that's happening around this when my body is breaking these cells down is it knows that I am getting rid of cells in my body and it's going to need to replenish them. So we see that your stem cell production starts to climb. In a study by Dr. Walter Longo's group, they found that you increase stem cell production by over 300% when you get into this deep autophagy phase. This is where we want our patients to go because there's so many benefits of getting into autophagy, but it doesn't happen before 72 hours. Once you get to that prolonged fasting state, you're in all of the benefits of autophagy. Now you can make that a little bit better and really maximize the benefits that you get from prolonged fasting by doing something called fasting mimicking, which is what we recommend. You can also do some little small lifestyle changes that make you get the most out of your fasting week. If you're gonna do it, you're gonna wanna listen to how to maximize that 5-day period, 3 to 5 days, depending on how you're doing. But check out the next video. Make sure you're staying tuned with us because we're gonna go through how you can use fasting mimicking to make your fasting easier and actually more effective at the same time.